What's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Just wanted to show you a quick update that we're getting on the Bold N1 from Blue Mobile. So right here, if you go into settings on this device, you're going to notice that we're getting an update. So the first thing I want to show you is this right here. You want to go into this right here where it says Blue Beta Unlocked Android 10. So on the Blue website, they have this Android 10 beta. It says be the first to get Android 10, and then you just enter your information. It literally took 24 hours for me to get the update sent. So what I did was went into settings, and then when I went into system, I should have an update somewhere in updates. Hold on one second. So let me see, system, security. And system updates, here it is. And it says right here, your device is updated to Android 10 new features improvements. Make sure that your device is more than 50% and you can start to, so I'm gonna start downloading this right now. And when Android 10 is on here, I'll be right back. So what's pretty cool is that about a year ago or so, when this device came out, Bold N1 had promised that they were going to put Android 10 on it. And, now it's here. They finally fulfilled their promise. So I think that's really cool that it's coming onto this device right now. Okay, guys, so I have just downloaded that whole update. And right now it's basically here. So let's hit reset. We're going to get all the new features of Android 10 on this one. So let me just wait for this to boot right back up. But I've been anticipating this update for a long time. If you guys know my channel, you know I've been having this phone on the channel since it came out. And always been talking about the updates that come up on it. But this time we get a major update. So let me just wait for this to finish and I'll show you guys what it's all about. But it's going to be pretty cool. This phone definitely has some really cool features, some good specs, everything like that. So I definitely see it being a really nice device for the future now that it has Android 10. Alright guys, so the Bold N1 just reset, and now I'm just waiting for the Android 10 to show up on the new screen, on the AMOLED screen. So this is a really nice panel. It's got an AMOLED screen, 6.4 inches. It also does have wireless charging. Now this is going to be awesome because I'm updating my phone right now. It's starting up with the Android 10. I did put a screen protector on here to protect the glass because I just didn't want it to chance it. The glass on here is really nice. You get this shiny rainbow effect when you put it in light, but it has to hit the light a certain way for you to be able to see that. So just keep that in mind. I'm gonna wait for this to actually come back on. There it is, and it should be booting up like within a few seconds after that. Alright guys, so I have the already I could see that the AT&T logo is here. Before it wasn't as big. It says finish an update. The icons at the top look the same, but okay, now it says cricket, so that now it's back to normal. Let's open this up. Okay, so you can see we get the 3-button navigation here down below. Let's see right here. You can see the system update is finishing. Let's go down here. And let's test out, let's see all the options here. So we get dark theme now, which is new. Data saver, put that there. Let me turn off the night light since it's daytime now. I guess that doesn't want to turn off. Let me see. Oh wait, I gotta get out of here first. Okay, night light off. And then let's turn on dark theme. Wow, so now we got the dark theme on here. The colors, the blacks look really dark. Screen looks really beautiful on here. Let me just go into settings. Let's go into, let's see, anything changes. The icons on there look different. Let's go into system update right here, and you can see we're on Android 10 security patch September 5th, which is crazy. So this thing is completely up to date right now. Android 10 on here. You get your dark mode, you get the gestures. Let me see if we can get those right now. Let's go into settings. Now I really do like using this phone nav bar right here, and then let's see what kind of gestures we get. So we get that gesture right here, or we could do it from the side. It's the side scroll gestures. So these are the real ones, guys. The Android 10 gestures, not the blue ones where you swipe from the bottom. The real Android 10 gestures. So this is the blue bold N1 update. Android 10. Let's test out the fingerprint sensor. Works perfectly fine. Let's open up Spotify. Let's try Instagram. And everything is just really snappy on this device. It's really thin, metal and glass, wireless charging, 96, I believe, megapixel camera with the pixel binning. You also get the 16 megapixel front, camera right here. That's pop up. All screen display on here. Let me go in the camera, see if that opens up. Oh, so there's a camera glitch. When you try to rotate the camera, look, it will not open. So just keep that in mind. If you update to Android 10, I can't get the front-facing camera to, let me go into right here where it says settings. And I didn't have any issue with the front-facing camera before. So what we'll do is go into apps. And I just wanted to show you this update so you guys would know what it would look like when you download it to your device. So apps right here. Let's see all apps. Let's go to camera. Let's clear that out. Force stop. Okay. Let's go to permissions. Let's go to storage, clear that, and then clear this right here. And then do a reset, and I'll come back. All right, let's reset it and see if it fixes the camera. Okay, guys, so I just reset it. Let's turn this thing back on. Kind of test out the camera right away just to see if that camera on the front will pop up. Now, I never had any issues with the front-facing camera, so it's just a software glitch. It's not even like a hardware issue. It's just a software issue. So let's wait for that to start up, and let's see. Okay, so we have our dark mode on here automatically, battery saver, everything like that. The network is starting to load up, so we'll just wait for that to load up for a few moments. I'll put it down for a few seconds and then wait for everything to load up. All right, it's been about 30 seconds now. Fingerprint. Give it some pressure, it will work. Okay, let's open the camera. Okay, so the camera app is a little slow to open. So let's take a picture of this guy real quick, see if that looks good. And I'm gonna take a 96 megapixel camera shot. See, look, they have 96 megapixel mode. And then it's loading here, but I took it off of the object. Let's go right back here. Okay, so that looks pretty cool. That looks really good. Love the cameras on here. So let's try flipping the camera. Fingers crossed. And the front-facing camera is a dub. So hopefully we can get an update for that really soon. Bold. But this is I think this is the beta version for the Android 10, I believe. So hopefully they get a software update, but hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and I'll check you guys later. Peace.